and let's get your skin back on track. Alright, first things first, we need to talk about hydration. Your skin goes through a lot during pregnancy and childbirth, and it's likely a little dehydrated. We're talking about that dry, tight feeling, maybe even some flakiness. That, my friends, is a sign your skin barrier needs some serious love. Think of your skin barrier like a protective shield that keeps the good stuff in and the bad stuff out. So, how do we fix it? It all starts with a gentle, hydrating cleanser. Ditch the harsh sulfates and go for something milky or creamy that's going to cleanse without stripping your skin. And please, for the love of all things skincare, don't even think about using hot water. Lukewarm is the way to go. Next up, we lock in all that hydration with a good moisturizer packed with ceramides and hyaluronic acid. Trust me, your skin will thank you for this extra step. It's the little things, right? Now, let's address those dark spots, also known as hyperpigmentation. These are a common concern after pregnancy, often caused by hormonal changes that increase melanin production. The good news is that we can fade them with consistent skincare. Vitamin C is your new best friend when it comes to brightening those dark spots. It's an antioxidant powerhouse that helps to even out skin tone and protect against environmental damage. Look for a serum with a stable form of vitamin C, like L-ascorbic acid. Apply it in the morning after cleansing and before your moisturizer. But here's the catch. Vitamin C can make your skin more sensitive to the sun, so SPF is non-negotiable. UV rays are the #1 culprit behind hyperpigmentation, so protecting your skin is crucial. Think of sunscreen as your invisible shield against those harmful rays. Remember, postpartum skin changes are a journey, not a race. Be patient with your skin, be kind to yourself, and don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Consistency is key when it comes to skincare. And most importantly, remember that you are beautiful, you are strong, and you are amazing. Motherhood is a superpower, and taking care of yourself both inside and out is essential. Let me know in the comments, what's your biggest postpartum skin challenge? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy skincare tips.